Hello, here we are with my 5th generation MakerBot, almost ready with a new print. It's making a bit of noise, but it will be done soon. Just wanted to share some of my latest stuff. Here's the squirrel that I made. This is just plain printout, some knobs that I did for chest of drawers, and this is something that I actually photographed with the 123D Catch, and then built a model, 3D model, and then printed this in clear PLA, and then I painted it with my daughter. So these are successful prints. Then I have quite a few failed prints that comes from like bad orientation of prints and stuff that has been falling over. So I have quite a few failed ones. I did some nice Nespresso dispensers, and they actually work quite nice. So one thing that I'm working with is to change the settings a little bit. So I'm making my own profile in MakerBot desktop. So I click create profile, and I base it on the standard for the 5th generation. And what I've been changing is this parameter called start C. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, here's start C. And the default is 0.2, and I've been setting that to like 0.3, or I might even try 0.4. I think I'm gonna try 0.35 for this one. It just means that the first layer gets a little bit less meshed. 0.35. Save. And I'm just gonna try and slice this. And then I thought I was gonna show you how I get the print off. So major challenges have been the prints being stuck very well to the build plate, and the first layer going down so meshed that the extruder stops. Just gonna check how the preview looks on this. Just wanna see if my letters are coming out. Yeah, they're there a little bit. Yeah, that should be okay. So I'm just gonna try and print that as soon as this one is ready. It's now, it says half an hour left. So I'll be back later with some getting stuff off the build plate and starting a new print kind of a thing. Thanks for watching.